ये हाय, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल। तो आज एक बहुत ही स्पेशल डे है।
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and
क्योंकि GPS
traffic.
क्योंकि हम जा रहे हैं हमारा नया कैमरा लेने।
I really wanna know, really wanna know.
For people who've been following us and know us, हमने कई बार बात किया है that we use the Nikon D750 for our filmmaking and videography and pictures, and हम काफ़ी टाइम से वो कैमरा यूज़ कर रहे थे, but अब हमें लगा कि we really need an upgrade and we're upgrading to our dream camera। इसके लिए हम बहुत टाइम से सेव कर रहे थे, बहुत टाइम से सोच रहे थे, and finally आज वो दिन आ गया है जब हम वो उससे लेने जा रहे हैं from Gurgaon all the way to Delhi। And you should keep watching this entire video to know all about the camera, and if you want to purchase a camera and just everything about videos, you need to keep watching this video.
तो हम लोग सोनी 7S3 खरीद रहे हैं। दिस इज लाइक माई ड्रीम कैमरा। बहुत टाइम से हम लोग प्लान कर रहे थे और
So हम अपना कैमरा लेने एक स्टोर में जा रहे हैं जिसका नाम है द GP फोटो स्टोर, विच इज़ इन लाजपत नगर दिल्ली। हमें एक्चुअली बहुत सारी रिसर्च करने के बाद एंड थैंकफुली कुछ कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स से बात करने के बाद हमने नैरो डाउन किया दैट दिस शुड बी द परफेक्ट स्टोर टू गो गेट द कैमरा। इट वाज अ गुड डील एंड वी स्पोक टू द पर्सन एंड हमें लगा दैट दिस शुड बी द ग्रेट प्लेस टू गो गेट इट। सो येस, वी आर ऑन आवर वे एंड if you're thinking ki why are we upgrading and why have we chosen the particular Sony camera, here are a few reasons.
so basically we had outgrown the Nikon D750। यार बहुत टाइम से ना उसमें जितना सीखना था सीख लिया, and now we wanted something a little bit more professional, and there is nothing better in the market rather than the Sony 7S3। it is the ultimate filmmaking camera, so we're quite excited to go get it. We'll talk about it more when we reach the store and show you the details of the camera.
Yes, we're very excited. It's just like, you know, getting a brand new baby home.
No. No.
Okay, it's just like getting a new family member home.
Yeah.
And we're so excited. Oops, tunnel. So when we sold our Nikon D750 a couple of days back, we were a little sad because as they rightly say that it was like letting go of someone very close to us, but we're so happy that we're now moving ahead and upgrading to something new. And
So we're going to get you lots of great content.
yes, new camera का मतलब lots of great content coming your way, और we're hoping that next year हम बहुत कुछ कर सके। इनफैक्ट हमारी एक छोटी सी ट्रिप भी आने वाली है न्यू ईयर्स के आसपास, where we're going to be testing this camera and we're so excited for that trip, which is going to be all together an all new vlog and a documentary for you guys, so keep watching.
Sometimes
तो हम
we
लाजपत
try
नगर आ
so
चुके
hard,
हैं
but
और
we
अब हम
get
शॉप
up
ढूंढ रहे हैं
from the ground.
and we have arrived.
I really wanna
ये रहा GP Pro against the light. How excited are you?
Very excited. Let's go.
Hi, Sarkar.
And this is the camera that we're going to buy.
And while you can't see, we're smiling wide.
Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, sky is falling down.
75. So this is all the gear that we are buying right now.
Down, even if the sky is falling even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs.
Oh,
lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down.
That's our new camera.
Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground.
Right?
I really wanna know if I never figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if